Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Canva AI. Pretty simple, but this is for beginners. So let's get started. Select Canva AI here. You can create designs, create images, etc., etc. If you want to create an image, select create an image here. You can select the style that you want. I'll just do cinematic, for instance, and then I'm going to select this one by one format. Then I'm just going to type in, for example, like create a kitschy style image of a tuna can. I don't know, but it's going to basically then generate the image, but obviously you can do other stuff. So this is what it looks like. It is on the cinematic side. I think I'm just going to reuse the prompt. Let's do one that's creative. Oh my gosh, I want to sneeze. Pineapple. Never mind. And I think this one looks more fun. But you can also create a video clip if you have Pro. So I'm just going to do that. Style, let's do surreal, dreamlike, and then aspect ratio, let's do that. Duration, let's do 8 seconds. Framing, let's do a medium shot. I'm just going to type in like, make me a video of a Pegasus flying through pink clouds. Press enter, and it's going to generate the video for you. It does take a few. Okay, this might take up 2 minutes. I'm not going to record till the end of the results, but you understand the gist. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.